Find features that differentiate it from other brands for SLOKSFil, smartwatches for women. And why you should choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Women's smartwatch for real-time health monitoring. Experience the perfect blend of style and comfort with the SLOKSFil smartwatch. Its lightweight full metal design offers a premium look and a comfortable fit. The 1.39 inches TFT color display, 45mm dial, with 360x360 HD resolution delivers vibrant, sharp visuals. With 5 adjustable brightness levels, it remains clear even in direct sunlight. The slim, elegant profile pairs with any outfit. 2 included bands: a Milanese mesh strap and a skin-friendly silicone band, let you switch styles for any occasion. Bluetooth calling and smart notifications. Stay connected effortlessly. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0, this smartwatch pairs quickly and stably with your phone. The waterproof speaker ensures crystal clear call quality. Once paired, you can answer/reject calls directly and receive notifications for SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Perfect for staying in touch on the go or during workouts. Comprehensive health and wellness tracking. Monitor your well-being 24/7. This watch tracks heart rate, blood pressure, and SpO2 levels. It also functions as a sleep tracker, analyzing sleep stages and offering insights to improve sleep quality. Long-term data logging helps you understand your body better and spot potential trends. For reference only, not for medical use. Dedicated women's health features. Designed with modern women in mind, this watch includes specialized female health tracking. It accurately logs your menstrual cycle, sends timely reminders, and helps you understand your body's patterns. All health data syncs automatically to the FitCloud Pro app for detailed analysis and long-term trend review. 120+ sports modes and personalized features. Track a wide range of activities, from running and cycling to ballet, yoga, and Pilates. It records steps, distance, and calories burned. Breathe training guides relaxation. Stay motivated with customizable reminders for inactivity and hydration. Personalize your watch with 20+ preloaded watch faces or create your own via DIY options. Supports 12 languages and other smart features. Not for swimming or hot baths. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.